What's up, guys? It's your boy Germaine, and today I'm going to bring you a little behind the scenes from a recent engagement that I shot in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We're on the campus of LSU, and I saw this benched area, and I asked the couple to have a seat on the bench so that I can get some bench shots, as you can see. I asked them to get a little close so that we can create more of an intimate vibe, and they went directly into it, and the shot came out great. As you can see right there, these shots that you'll see on this video, they are unedited, and I do have some shots in this video that did not come out properly, but I wanted to keep it real and just include those into the actual video. Alright, right now I'm moving around so that I can get a different vantage point, and by doing so you can actually get different perspectives using the same pose. And at this point they were just vibing off each other. I didn't have to say too much, that's a good thing when you have a couple that love each other. You can really get a lot more personable with them. I have my wife, she actually recorded this footage on an iPhone, and it came out pretty well. Just to say that she handheld it. I do like the stabilization in the actual phone itself. It really came out dope. But here I was just moving around, just trying to get a different view, and I think this shot came out bad as far as framing wise. You see, I kind of clipped them off, so I just wanted to move around from that space because I got enough shots from that angle. So now I'm walking around so that I can capture a couple images from behind them in the same pose. And again, you can get different shots if you move around and access the actual area that you have available. And at this point I'm just letting them interact with each other, and I think it came out pretty cool. So now they're actually standing, I'm not sure what building this is on the campus, but I've shot here a couple times in the past, and it's pretty cool. I like the palm trees as well as the columns in the front. We caught it at the right time because typically if you catch it in between the hours of I'll say maybe 10 a.m. and maybe 6 o'clock on a good day, it's sun coming directly in front of that building. But we just so happened to catch it on the right day at the right time, and the sun was super soft. So I captured them right here. I think the shot came out cool, and again, the images that you're seeing in the video have not been edited. I want to keep it real, as I previously stated in the video. This couple was a pleasure to capture. They made things so easy for me. They were serious enough and in love enough to get the shots that I really needed when I wanted a more serious tone. But those playful shots, they actually came out well because they weren't stuck into themselves so much to the point to where we couldn't have fun during the session, and it really showed as well. I'm shooting this session natural light. I forgot why, because previously in the previous location I actually used off-camera flash, but I can't remember why I switched over. I don't know. It might have been kind of windy or something like that. I can't remember. But as you can see right here, the sun is actually setting to the west. I'm facing northeast at this point in time, so the sun is actually coming in. But as you can see, just propping them up on that ledge right there, I was able to get some pretty good shots from a variety of vantage points. I think the shots came out pretty cool. If you go on my Instagram, you'll see a few of the edits as well. My wife did a wonderful job on the BTS footage, and we also did a video using a drone once we wrapped up the session. So and this is just a few of the actual shots that I actually captured during this session. I mean, man, we moved all around this area. That's a wrap on the video, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and tune into the channel. Click the notification bell to stay abreast of all my upcoming content. Peace.